Ladies and gentlemen, I may have come up with the stupidest idea that I've ever come up with. I'm here at an undisclosed lake in an undisclosed location that does not permit power boats, and I was fishing here last night. I was thinking, man, it'd be really cool. You know, there's a lot of really cool trees in the water over there, and there's just a lot of cool stuff on this lake that I really can't access. And I was thinking, it'd be great if I had a canoe. So I went and bought a canoe on Facebook Marketplace today after work. There she is in all her glory. And we are going to go try and fish this lake with a canoe. So I'm going to get everything geared up. We are here. It is about 6:30 p.m.-ish. I'm going to get everything loaded up, get the canoe in the water, and try and get out there and get on some fish. We are locked and loaded, ready to go here. Maiden voyage in the canoe. I am feeling stoked about that. Now, it's been a while since I've canoed, so I don't know how this is going to go. I've never owned a canoe. I canoed a little bit when I was younger, but it's been many years now. So I'm not bringing a big camera with me or anything. Scooch my way out here. I might be too fat for this canoe, guys. Free. It rose like a dream, I'll tell you what. This is great. All right, we're gonna get ourselves up into this brush. And as I'm going, I'm looking for a weed line here. I'm not really seeing one as of yet. But they're either going to be on the inside or the outside of these weeds, and I don't know where that's going to start. So right now, just kind of trial and error. Slow our momentum down here and start trying to catch a fish or two. Instant fish. Instant fish. Just a little bluegill, but first cast of the day, we are on a little gill here, guys. Super pretty. Great colors on them. Show them off. Get him back in. There he goes. Now, I think staying in one position here is going to be tough because there's a little bit of wind going on. I didn't see a big turtle out in the middle there. It's really cool. I think staying in one area is going to be a little tough here. All right, cast number 3, and we got a little dinky crappie here, guys. This is what I was targeting. He's just a little baby guy. But we found our target, species number 1 here. Little dinky baby crappie. Cute, back he goes. See you, buddy. There's a little better one. Little bluegill. Not a very big one. Still nice. Back he goes. See you, buddy. Oh, there was a little bass. Oh, he's back. There he is. All right, new species. So far we have caught bluegill, crappie, and now a little largemouth that has decided to go underneath. Oh, come here, little guy. Little LMB. He'll grow up to be a big one someday. See you, buddy. There we go. Oh, and he's wrapped around the tree. Come here. All right. I think this is our final fish of the night. We're not going to stop casting, but based on how I've been doing, this is about all we got, guys. Just a nice little bluegill. See you, buddy. All right. We are back at the boat ramp, and the canoe is all here. So I'm going to get this bad boy loaded up into my truck, and we are going to head back to the barn. But first, I want to give you guys a look at the canoe, because I realized when I got out here, I totally did not show you what it is. So it is a 15, or a Patriot 15, and it's a fiberglass canoe registered out of Illinois, and this is what we're working with. So far, so good. No leaks, no nothing. So overall, I tell you, I'm very happy with it. Paddle's nice. Sits a little bit low in the back, but maybe that means I need to lose some weight. So this is what we are going to be rocking with for the next little bit. I'm going to get this pulled up on shore and get myself out of here, because it is already 8 p.m. and I want to go home and take a shower because I have work in the morning. Here's what it looks like all done up in the truck. Way out to the side here. But hey, what's the point of having a truck if you're not going to use it? I really like that Patriot 15. Alright guys, we are back at the barn, and now it is time to figure out how to get this into here without scratching my boat. Alright, step one of get it out of the truck is done. Now I just need to get this into here. I'm going to flip the camera so you guys can watch me try and get this in there. Alright, I think first things first is I'm going to try and pick it up over my head. All right, I think first things first is I'm gonna try and pick it up over my head. Oh, like this. Whoa. maybe not exactly like that. Okay, that was not at all graceful, and that really hurt, but it's now up there. Thanks again for watching, everyone. I had a ton of fun with this. Really great way to get outside after a real long day of work. And just enjoy the outdoors a little bit. I know I didn't catch anything huge, but you can't go out there and slam them every time. This upcoming weekend, I am actually headed back to Michigan to do some fishing. So when I get back there, new video next weekend, and we are gonna try and get on some actual bass. So back to my roots, back to bass fishing. I am going to get everything locked up here, head back home and start editing this video. You guys enjoy, and I will catch y'all in the next video. See ya.